Tessa's first time, isn't it, using the City Car Club?
High five, Tess.
Who's going to do the swiping?
Oh, me.
It's all gone dark.
Tess doesn't know how to.
No, I want the video yet. Wow, it's a super sunny day. Look at this bag. Where are we going?
To Ikea.
To get
A wardrobe for me. You can just swipe it.
What road's this bridge?
This is Grange Lone.
What do I do?
It's really fun. You need to come to here.
Get a good shot.
Swipe it on there.
Get a good shot. The smart card as opposed to the piece of paper. Oh, you ready? You just do it then.
You want now?
No.
Can I try?
Isn't this the wrong one?
Maybe it is.
No, it's the right
On
one.
Grange Road.
This is not Grange Road, is it?
This is Grange Lone.
Go to the next one. The problem is,
What, Dad?
it hasn't opened. We think we've got the wrong car.
Anyway, we're on Grange Lone.
Things going wrong. You found the dust in the blistering heat. And what happened? What happened? No car. So we went on the internet. This is all of our booking time being eaten up. And we actually checked it was the right car. So we're running back there, and then we realised someone had been walking in a bad mood, dropped the card. So we had to go back and find the card, and now we're going to get the card, and this isn't working. Right, let's give it a go again. Do you think it's going to work this time?
Here we are again, then.
You go again. Let's see. Let's see.
Can I try, please?
Yes, you can. Just hold it on there. Keep it there. Wiggle it about. Well, blow me down with a feather. Right, let's go pick up Tessa. Half the seat there, looking good. So here we are. It's 27 minutes past 12. Very late for our pickup. About 20 minutes late. A few errors were made. Schoolboy error number 1. Writing down the address wrong. I put Grange Road instead of Grange Lone. Why is there a street called Grange Lone? So anyway, I wrote it down in on a bit of green paper with a green pencil. So it wasn't very clear either. Schoolboy error number 2. Actually, more of a schoolgirl error number 2. Person carrying City Club card, smart card, dropped it, lost it temporarily.
And she didn't swipe it properly.
No, I don't know about that. I'm not going to say that's a schoolgirl error, of course. She held it on
Yeah.
for quite a bit. I don't know, I hate to criticise the smart card, but I hate to criticise Tess as well. Is this the right way to Ikea?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That could have been Schoolboy error number 3. City Car Club, it says on the publicity that most of the cars have iPod plugger-inners. And we can't see it, can we?
Yeah, it's in the thing, isn't it?
What? Where? It's a shame. We wanted to put in the iPod, didn't we?
Yeah.
It's been a shame, though. So that's not really a Schoolboy error, it's a slight lack of information. Well, we've only hired 2 cars, haven't we? There's only... neither of those have had them in. Oh! Look at that. Look at that here.
It's disgusting.
Oh, no, stay still. This is... just stay still.
Don't touch.
Tess's new class with Ikea in the background.
You can stick it through this way.
Ow! My finger, you just stabbed my finger.
Anita.
So look. So look.
Oh, don't look at me, I have a massive spot on my face. So proud. It's wicked!
Ta-da!
Can't believe every day I'm going to go.
Yeah. Good.
Thank you, Dad.
So, doors are a bit cronky. Ooh, what's that you've just found? Give that to me. Ta-da! Is that alright?
Yeah, thanks.